So yes, in 2013 we were EMEA Partner of the Year with F5. We've had a fantastic 2013 and that success has continued. In 2014 we've seen a significant acceleration in our growth. We've been executing against a great plan and we're seeing a lot of traction in the field and a lot of interest from our joint customer base with F5 and Dimension Data jointly positioning our network as the platform, which is the way we go to market within Dimension Data. So yes, great growth, a fantastic partner, you're a tier 1 vendor and we look forward to growing the business even further. So Dimension Data has a long-standing relationship with Cisco. We've been together for over 25 years. We are Cisco's largest reseller. And now with F5 announcing or having announced synthesis and the great connections that are being built in solution sets between ACI on one hand and F5 on the other hand, jointly accelerating and creating unique solutions, that for us is a fantastic factor because we have very deep skills in both Cisco and F5, of course, both being very important vendors for us, and customers want seamless integration and solid solutions that are being brought by the world's largest network integrator, which is what we are. So as you probably know, we have recently acquired Nextira One in Europe. This almost doubles our workforce in Europe and gives us a tremendous footprint both geographically and also in the countries where we already had a presence in terms of our joint go-to-market. So bringing forces together means that we are strengthening our joint go-to-market, and the partnership we have with F5 is already being extended into Nextira One, which we now call DD New, because we're one team now. Dimension Data and F5 have a long-standing history of building solutions together. One example is our technology lifecycle management assessment, whereby we have an in-depth look at a customer's network infrastructure and we're able to define a roadmap with the customer in terms of what are the refresh points and what are the milestones in that roadmap. F5 is now fully supported in our technology lifecycle management assessment, which means that we can integrate F5 into that business process. Furthermore, Dimension Data will be fully supporting F5 in our Managed Services for Enterprise Networks offering, which is managed network services supplied by Dimension Data, fully supporting F5 in the monitoring and management of complex network infrastructures. Dimension Data is also quite excited about F5's security roadmap. F5 has been investing a lot of R&D and go-to-market effort in their new security solutions, and from our perspective that is really great because we have a long-standing relationship with F5 in the networking space. Since I also run security, I'm really glad to see that some of the world-class solutions that you've been building like ASM and APM are now really becoming an essential ingredient in a customer's long-term IT roadmap, and we're seeing a lot of increasing success with those solutions in our European market. Dimension Data and F5 have a long-standing history of successful joint projects, and we look forward to intensify our collaboration, not just on the networking, but also on the security space. The future is looking great, and this is going to be a fantastic couple of years together. Thank you, F5.